Meet Suvie 3.0 Plus, the latest all-in-one kitchen robot, now with AirFry. Designed to cook for your whole family while you're at work, at the gym, or just relaxing at home. With Suvie's revolutionary technology, your ingredients stay refrigerated until it's time to start cooking. Simply load the ingredients, scan the recipe card, and Suvie does the rest. Suvie is as flexible as your lifestyle. Schedule your meal ahead or cook when you're home for a delicious dinner in less than 25 minutes. Cook your own ingredients or our chef-crafted Suvie meals. And with over 15 ways of cooking, Suvie will bake, roast, and air fry, make snacks for the kids, slow cook perfect short ribs, and even sous vide egg bites so you wake up to a nutritious breakfast. Suvie does the work while you relax, and the cleanup is quick and easy. Spend less time cooking and more time living with Suvie.